Welcome to another video regarding the ZSS. In this case, I'm focusing on a little thing here you might be familiar with. This is a stress ball of the planet Earth. But the reason it's interesting right now is I ordered several of them, about 12, because I had been using a wad of paper to help with temporary installation of this sensor, magnetic type sensor in the car, and I had been removing this in and out repeatedly, and just using a wad of paper would help. But I figured this might be a little bit nicer and cleaner, more consistent. So I ordered 12 of those, about $1 each, I think, something like that. And I just wanted to quickly show you how that's incorporated into this. So let's see how quickly I can do that. And I might pause the video as I'm recording because I don't want this to be too long. So let's see how this goes. So I'm just feeding the wire down into here. I think I've got it fed pretty good, so I'm going to just put this here, and have an Ethernet cable that I'm going to attach. So it's hard to do this with one hand. Okay, that's connected. Throw that back in there. Now it's time to go under here. And for this, I always recommend putting the seat back all the way and lifting the steering wheel to upper position. So here you can see the bottom of the electronic power steering, and it's really just a matter of making sure that this ball is going to be in this position like this. So it'll be like that. Make sure I got the light shining here. Well, anyway, so let me pause this, and okay, so anyway, just going back to what I was saying, we've got the ball here, and now I've got the sensor in position. It's actually held in place fairly decently with friction already, but I had previously been recommending people use Permatex silicone adhesive to hold it in place. That's what that black stuff is. In this case, that's from my initial installation, which was a long time ago, like a year ago. And since then, I've installed dozens of ZSS in here for testing. This white stuff is the air conditioning ducting, and so what the ball is going to do is it's going to wedge between the sensor and so the sensor and the white ducting. So let's see if I can do that real quick. Yep, so that feels pretty solid. It's got a lot of resistance in there now. So I'm pretty happy about that. And I hope the two customers that I sent ZSS to today, they received these balls, no extra charge. I just wanted to make their job easier. And so that's that. So enjoy the stress balls, and talk to you guys later. Bye.